We will start chapter 3.1. Question number first. In the matrix A is equal to 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 70. Right. Question number first. The order of the matrix. The order of the matrix. Order of the matrix find करनी है तो कैलकुलेट करो R1, R2, R3. Then n की वैल्यू क्या हुई 3. C1, C2, C3, C4. Then n वैल्यू 4. तो इसकी ऑर्डर क्या हुई मैट्रिक्स की 3 by 4. Then order of matrix is 3 by 4. Second, the number of element. The number of elements. Number of elements. Then multiplication of order of matrix. Then 3 by 4 is equal to 12. Number of element are 12. Question number third. Find A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. A13, A11, A12, A13. Then A13 is equal to 19. A21, second row and first column. Second row and first column. Then 21 is equal to 35. A21 is equal to 35. A33. A33 means third row and third column. Element of third row and third column. Third row and third column. Then A33 is equal to minus 5. A24. A24 means second row and fourth column. Second row and fourth column. Then A24 is equal to 12. A24 is equal to 12. A23. A23 means second row and third column. Second row and third column. Then A23 is equal to 5 by 2. A23 is equal to 5 by 2. Complete question number first. And second question. And second question. Okay. Second question ये कह रहा है if a matrix has 24 element in like a matrix, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 13 element? 24 element. Question number 7. 24 element, then possible order is 8 into 3, 3 into 8, 6 into 4, 4 into 6, 24 into 1, 1 into 24. Possible order is 8 into 3, 3 into 8, 6 into 4, 4 into 6, 24 into 1 and 1 into 24. And possible order क्या होगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 possible order होंगे when element are 24. Second, element has 13 element. 13 element, then possible order are 13 into 1, 1 into 13. 13 element, then possible order is 13 into 1 and 1 into 13. Next question. Question number 3. If a matrix has 18 element, then possible order are 6 into 3, 3 into 6, 18 into 1, 1 into 80, 6 into 3, 3 into 6, 18 into 1, 1 into 18. 6 into 3, 3 into 6, 18 into 1, 1 into 18, and 9 into 2, 2 into 9. Then possible order are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total possible order is 6. Next question. Question number 4. If matrix has 5 element, then possible order are 5 into 1 and 1 into 5. 5 element have possible order is 5 into 1 and 5 into 1. Next question. Question number 4. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix if A is equal to Aij whose elements are given by first question. Aij is equal to I plus j to the power 2 by 2. Okay. Solve. First of all, let because 2 by 2 matrix, then let matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Find the 2 by 2 matrix, then let matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. 11 is represent Ij, 12 is represent Ij, 21 is represent Ij, 22 is represent Ij. Then find value A11. A11 then 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 to the power 2 upon 2. Then 4 by 2 is equal to 2. A12 then 1 plus 2 to the power 2 by 2. 2 plus 1 3, 3 to the power 2 9, 9 by 2. And A21 2 plus 1 to the power 2 upon 2. 2 plus 1 3, 3 to the power 2 9, 9 by 2. A22 means put the I2 and put the J2. 2 plus 2 to the power 2 upon 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 to the power 2. 4 to the power 2 is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. Then matrix are 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. And answer. Value find करनी थी हमें Aij is equal to I plus j to the whole power 2 upon 2. First of all, I will let A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. 11 is represent Ij, 12 is represent Ij, 21 is represent Ij, and 22 is represent Ij. So use Aij is equal to I plus j to the power 2 upon 2. Aij is equal to I plus j to the power 2 upon 2. Put the value I1, put the value J1. 1 plus 1 to the power 2 upon 2 is equal to 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Second, 2 1, I to the value 2, j to the value 1, and 2 plus 1 to the power 2 upon 2 is equal to 9 by 2. 1 2, I to the value 1, j to the value 2, 1 plus 2 the whole square upon 2 is equal to 9 by 2. A22, then I to the value 2, j to the value 2, 2 plus 2 to the power 2 upon 2 is equal to 4 square upon 2, 16 by 2 is equal to 8. Then result are 2 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. And second question are Aij is equal to I upon j. Aij is equal to I upon j. As it is question first of all, let matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Then solve A11. A11 is equal to 1 upon 1 because I to the value 1 and j to the value 1, and result is 1. A12, 1 by 2, result is 1 by 2. A21, then 2 by 2, 2 by 1, and result is 2. And A22, then put the value I 2 and j2, result is 1. Then answer is 1, 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2, 2 and 1 as it answer. Question number 5th. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by this. Okay, question number 5th is equal question number 4th. Question number 5th same as question number 4th. Question number 6th. Find the value of x, y and z from the following question. Question number 6 is depend equal matrix. You know, two matrices are equal where order are equal and corresponding element are equal. So question is first part 4, 3, x 5 is equal to y, z 1, 5. Order 2 by 2, order 2 by 2. दोनों की ऑर्डर सेम है, देन कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट आर सेम. देन 4 is equal to y, x is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3 because corresponding element are always equal. Then x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. Second part, x plus y 2, 5 plus z xy is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. Order 2 by 2 are same, then corresponding element are same, and same as part first. But x plus y is equal to 6, equation first. 5 plus z is equal to 5, equation 2. xy is equal to 8, equation 3. Using equation 1, 2, 3, then find the value is x, y, z, and process are part first. Okay, 5 plus z is equal to 5, 5 plus z is equal to 5, then z is equal to 0, same as value x and y. Okay, next question number 7th, same as question 6th, and question number 8. Question number 8 is different but depend definition of matrix. Question number 8 different है but definition पे depend है. Square matrix की definition mn is equal to, then matrix are square matrix. Question number 8, A is equal to Aij is square matrix. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आते हैं हमारे एग्जाम में, ये मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन है. फर्स्ट m लेस देन n, सेकंड m greater than n, and third m is equal to n, and fourth none. You know, two square matrix where m equal to n, orders m equal to n होगा तो वो मैट्रिक्स कौन सा होगा? स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स होगा. Then last question, which of the given values of x and y pair of matrix equal? You know, equal matrix होंगे तो ऑर्डर सेम होनी चाहिए. ऑर्डर सेम होगी तो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट सेम होंगे. Then 3.1 is complete. Okay.